Top 9 completed projects in Somalia. In this video, we will take a look at the most impressive completed projects in Somalia. These projects are a testament to the resilience of the Somali people and the progress that the country has made in recent years. Conflict and instability have plagued Somalia for a very long time. The nation entered a civil war at the beginning of the 1990s, which caused extensive damage and displaced many people. However, there has been a sharp decline in violence recently, and the Somali government has started to rebuild the nation.
Number 9.
Bura Report in Berbera, Somalia. The principal port in Somaliland is located in Berbera. It was upgraded in 2018 when a new container terminal was built. Larger ships can now enter and exit the port, making it simpler for Somaliland to export its goods abroad. The port is a strategic asset for the area and is also used by the U.S. military.
Number 8.
𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲 School of Science and Technology in Hargeisa, Somalia. Private boarding school 𝘂𝗶𝗱𝗲 School of Science and Technology in Hargeisa offers Somali students a top-notch education. Entrepreneur Rachest 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲, a Somali American, founded it in 2013. Over 300 students attend the school, and there are over 50 teachers on staff. The school offers courses in math, science, English, history, and other subjects, and its curriculum is based on the American system. Additionally, the school places a lot of emphasis on technology, and its students have access to the most recent computers and programs. The success of 𝘂𝗶𝗱𝗲 School in educating Somali students and its high standards have received praise.
Number 7.
Mogadishu Seaport, Somalia. Construction of the Mogadishu Seaport ranks among Somalia's most significant projects to be finished. The seaport is a vital economic artery for Somalia, and it is anticipated that it will increase investment and trade there. The seaport cost $300 million to build, and it was finished in 2017. A significant center of trade and commerce in Somalia is the seaport of Mogadishu. The majority of imports and exports from Somalia are handled at this port, which is the biggest in the nation. For Somalis, the seaport is a significant source of employment. The construction of the Mogadishu Seaport was a major undertaking. It took over 10 years to complete the project, and it required the cooperation of the Somali government, the United Nations, and the international community. The seaport was built with the latest technology and equipment, and it is now one of the most modern seaports in Africa. The completion of the Mogadishu Seaport is a major milestone for Somalia. It is a sign that the country is on the right track and that it is committed to rebuilding. The seaport is expected to boost trade and investment in Somalia, and it is expected to create jobs and improve the lives of the Somali people.
Number 6.
Gura Airport in Gura, Somalia. Gura Airport in Gura is the main airport in Puntland, Somalia. It was upgraded in 2017 with the construction of a new runway and terminal building. The airport is now able to handle larger aircraft, which has made it easier for tourists and businesses to travel to Puntland. The airport is also used by the Somali military, and it is a strategic asset for the country.
Number 5.
Mogadishu Water and Sewage Project. The World Bank is providing funding for the Mogadishu Water and Sewage Project, a significant infrastructure undertaking. Over 1 million people in Mogadishu will receive clean water and sewage services thanks to the project. In 2023, the project is anticipated to be finished. The undertaking will significantly advance Mogadishu and enhance millions of people's quality of life.
Number 4.
Baidoa Stadium in Baidoa, Somalia. Baidoa Stadium in Baidoa is the largest stadium in Somalia. It was built in 2019 and has a capacity of over 30,000 people. The stadium is used for a variety of events, including football matches, concerts, and religious gatherings. The stadium is a symbol of hope for the Somali people, and it is a place where they can come together to celebrate their culture and their country.
Number 3.
Johar Airport, Somalia. Another major project that has been completed in Somalia is the construction of the Johar Airport. The airport is a major transportation hub for Somalia, and it is expected to facilitate travel and tourism in the country. The airport was completed in 2019 at a cost of $200 million. The Johar Airport is a major gateway to Somalia. The airport is also a major hub for domestic flights. The project took more than 5 years to complete. The opening of the Johar Airport represents a significant accomplishment for Somalia. It is evidence that the nation is moving in the right direction and that it is devoted to recovery.
Number 2.
The construction of the Bura Road. The road connects the town of Baidoa with the port city of Bura, serving as a major thoroughfare. It is 100 kilometers long and was constructed in 2021. The road has facilitated the movement of people and goods between Baidoa and Bura and has increased regional economic activity. Additionally, since Baidoa is a significant center for humanitarian aid in Somalia, the road has made it simpler for the government of Somalia to provide aid to its citizens.
Number 1.
The construction of the Mogadishu Afgoye Road. The route links the town of Afgoye with the capital city of Mogadishu and is a significant thoroughfare for transportation. It is 20 kilometers long and was constructed in 2022. The road has facilitated the movement of people and goods between Mogadishu and Afgoye and has increased regional economic activity. The government of Somalia now finds it simpler to provide aid to the citizens of Afgoye, a significant agricultural center in the country, thanks to the road. The completion of these projects is a major milestone for Somalia. It is a sign that the country is on the right track and that it is committed to rebuilding. I am confident that Somalia will continue to make progress in the years to come. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the top completed projects in Somalia. If you had any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.